بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we will talk about 6 different you can say problems in the prayer. First of all, if you are in the masjid for offering Fajr prayer and you want to offer with the Jamaat, and you know if you will try to offer your Sunnah, then your Jamaat maybe run out. So what you should do? First of all, you think if you will try to offer Sunnah in the normal speed, so your Jamaat can be run out. In this situation, you will left your Sunnah and join the Jamaat. But if you know that if you try to offer your Sunnah, then you may join the Jamaat in the second rakh. So you should offer your Sunnah and then in the second rakh you can join your Jamaat. Some people left their Jamaat and they continuously offering their Sunnah. So it's not good. Whenever you will find that type of condition, so you must give preference to the Jamaat. Now the second problem is that if you could not offer your Fajr prayer on time, and you know that whenever you will offer the previous prayer, you just have to offer the Farais, not Sunnah and Nawafil. If you could not offer your Fajr prayer on time, so on that very day, before midday or before downfall of sun, or you can say in Arabic before Zawal, if you will offer your Fajr prayer, previous Fajr prayer, so you can offer both Sunnah and Farais. It means you can offer your complete prayer. While you know in other prayers you just have, if you could not offer on time, so you just have to offer the Farais. But in Fajr prayer, on that very day, if you will offer prayer before Zawal, before midday, so you can offer complete prayer with Sunnah and Farais both. And the third one is, if you don't know the direction of Qibla, if you are in the forest, or if you are wandering in the desert, or you are in the sea, so and you don't have any facility of GPRS like that, so what you have to do, and you don't know the direction of Qibla, and nobody is there which can tell you the direction of Qibla. So now what you have to do to offer prayer? It's very simple. You just have to think the direction of Qibla in your mind. If your mind is saying you that the Qibla's direction is on the north, so you may offer your prayer in the north side. If your mind is saying that Qibla's direction is in the west, so you will offer prayer in the west. And one more thing, remember one more thing, that during prayer, if your mindset has changed and your mind is saying you that no, the direction of Qibla is not on that side, the direction of Qibla is on the other side, so you must change your face, you must round your face at that very side where your mindset is now saying to you. Or let's suppose if you are offering prayer and the direction of Qibla you choose on your mindset, and during prayer someone come and say you that no, the direction of Qibla is on that very side, so you must change your face, or you round your face at that very side where the person comes and tell you that in that side you have to offer prayer. Now the fourth problem is that if you are going somewhere else and the distance between your home to your destination is more than 92 kilometers, so now you cannot offer your Farais completely. In the Zohar prayer, in the Asr prayer and in the Isha prayer, you have to offer 4 Farais generally. But when you are going somewhere else and the destination is more than 92 kilometers, so you have to offer half Farais. Farais are 4, so you have to offer 2 in these 3 prayers. If you are going somewhere else and the destination is more than 92 kilometers and you want to offer Zohar prayer, so you will offer 10 raks instead of 12. You will offer 4 Sunnah, then instead of 4 Farais you will offer 2 Farais, then 2 Sunnah and 2 Nawafil. I hope you will understand it easily. If you have any problem, so you can comment me and I will tell you in detail. And the second last problem is that remember one thing, Islamic Sharia gives you the facility of tayammum. The simple definition of tayammum is that if you are in that type of area where you cannot find water around about 1 kilometer, so then Islamic Sharia gives you a facility of tayammum, mean instead of ablution you can offer your prayer with tayammum. Complete details about tayammum is in another video. I will give the link in the description so you can watch it here. But now basically I just want to tell you that if you are going to offer Eid prayer, Eid or funeral prayer, so you know that time is very short, and if you will try to do ablution, so you cannot join the Jamaat. So now you can join the Jamaat without ablution by doing tayammum. Method of tayammum and everything about tayammum I already said that in another video, so you can watch in description. I have given the link. Now the last one problem is that if you are offering prayer and due to some reasons you laughed in the prayer, so now what about your prayer? Is it acceptable or not? Now there are two conditions. If your laugh sound is as loud as other people which are standing beside you can listen your sound, so your prayer and ablution both you have to do again. But if your laugh sound is not too loud but yourself can listen, then you no need to do ablution again, but you need to offer your prayer again. And I hope that all these 6 problems are very helpful in your future life, and it will save your life from these type of minor mistakes in the Islamic Sharia and the prayer. Another thing, that if anyone from you want to check reference of these 6 previous problems, so he can contact me using comment box or my using Facebook page Bilal bin Nazir. And if you are watching on YouTube, so you must have to share this video with English speaker friends, so they also can understand the Islamic problems as you. And you must have to visit this channel again and again, because on every Sunday, according to the Pakistan Standard Time, 7 p.m. I will upload this video, Islamic problems, video about Islamic problems in Urdu and English language at 7 p.m. according to PST, Pakistan Standard Time. And the 17 standard time zones I have given in the description of my channel. You can also watch there the standard time of your own country, so you can watch it easily. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.